How to add paid partnership on Instagram story. Hi guys, welcome. So first of all, you have to start by creating a new story. So once you are here, you have to simply click on this your story and select any of the video or picture you want to go with. Once you have selected it, there will be an option of a person icon on the middle top, so you have to simply click on that. I don't have currently that option, so once you have clicked on this will appears up where you have to simply enable this add paid partnership label. Simply enable this option and this option will shown up where you have to go for this add brand partners. So make sure you are eligible for this brand partners. So if you are not eligible, this option might not be appears on you. So once you have added this, you can simply tag that particular brand. So that's how basically you can add partnership on Instagram story.